Today went a bit longer than anticipated. I was going to stay at Emigrant, that's what it's called, Emigrant Springs State Park in Oregon. But when I got there, most of the parking stalls are more for like hashtag van lifers. 20 some odd dollars, but there was no place for me to park my little RV and my truck. All those places were already taken, all the electric stalls were already taken. It was just the small, you know, van life kind of stalls that were left. So I drove the rest of the way into town. Where am I at anyway? Island City, Oregon. There's a RV camp here in town, but they were filled up and it was getting late. Walmart. So now I'm at Island City, Oregon Walmart. Get a couple hours sleep, get up early tomorrow morning. Currently being serenaded by a woman who owns a Jeep. She keeps setting off her car alarm. That's what you hear in the background. It's been going off for like 5 minutes. It's a little after 7 at night. I was on the road for about 9 hours. I'm just too tired to go any further. Car alarm. Whatever. So I think tomorrow I'm going to try and get all the way to Pocatello. Come on, phone. Come on, phone. Now my phone's not even playing. Goes that alarm again. So Pocatello is 6 hours away. It's about an hour from where I used to live when I lived in Idaho. So yeah, let's aim for Pocatello tomorrow. Try and get some sleep tonight. Wish that woman with that Jeep would just drive off. Try and get a little more done with the videos. Get the editing done. Oh, and for some reason, my water pump's not working right. It's either that or I'm actually out of water, which is a very likely scenario. I haven't been keeping an eye on how much water I have in my tank, and of course these gauges are worthless. They don't tell you nothing useful. So that's it for today. I'm on the dry side of the mountains, if you saw that in the video. Across the rain shadow effect of the mountains. What a day. What a long day. I think she gave up on her car alarm. She's going to let the thing go while she's shopping.